Every dish begins with care. Care for the ingredients, the process, and the people. At Blue Elephant, we are inspired by the vibrant flavours of Thailand and a deep commitment to preserving its culinary heritage. Our journey begins in the fields. Working closely with trusted farms and suppliers who meet the highest international standards. Every herb and spice is carefully sourced, ensuring exceptional quality, freshness, and the preservation of their natural aroma, flavour, and distinct origin. In our workshop, tradition meets innovation. Generations-old techniques are enhanced by modern technology. Allowing us to produce at scale while preserving the heart of each recipe. From curry paste to sauces, every product is crafted with the same detail found in our restaurant kitchens. Our internationally recognised certifications, BRC, HACCP, and SMETA CEDEX, reflect our dedication to safety, ethics, and quality. From sourcing to packaging. Every step reflects respect for both people and the environment. At the Blue Elephant restaurant, every dish tells a story. Master Chef Noro's recipes come to life with pastes and sauces crafted in-house, bringing the true essence of Thai cuisine to every plate. The journey continues at our world-renowned cooking school. Chefs and food lovers alike learn to master Thai flavours, techniques and traditions, empowering them to create dishes their guests will never forget. From bold curry pastes to versatile cooking sets, our products are designed for both home cooks and professionals. Available in custom sizes and formats, they make it easy to bring authentic Thai flavours to any kitchen. You'll find Blue Elephant products in leading retailers like Woolworths, Co-op, Walmart, and Carrefour, bringing the heart of Thailand to over 45 countries around the world. At Blue Elephant, we don't just share food, we share a journey. A journey rooted in authenticity, driven by passion, and crafted to inspire every cook, everywhere.